He seems to have a very rapid heart rate. His gums seem to be discolored. The skin around his face is very discolored also. His eyes, this rapid eye movement. Alright, let's check his ears. His ears seem to be clear. It's 117 degrees.
It's not physically possible.
Go check the records to see if there's any similar symptoms.
Alright, doctor. $67 degrees? This must really be broken. It's code blue! Code blue! Blue, doctor, it's code blue! I'll get the defibrillator. Dr. Malik!
Good morning, Seattle. This is Channel 9 News coming to you with a very important announcement. Over the past week, there has been a report of over 300 people found with the disease Illafine. The disease started at St. Mary's Hospital. The infection began with a 13-year-old boy that was found unconscious in the woods with a bat bite on his arm. This patient bit a doctor, and the disease has been spreading like wildfire ever since. With us, we have Julia Chang, a nurse that witnessed the event. She is the only expert available with information on this disease.
This incident occurred last Sunday at St. Mary's West Wing at 11 p.m. Me and my colleague, Dr. Malik, were the only ones left that day. The patient showed extremely odd symptoms of nystagmus, extreme temperature changes, and discoloration of skin and gum. After the diagnosis, we thought it might have been rabies, but that wasn't the case because his temperature was nearly 67 degrees, something nearly impossible in a span of 5 minutes. And then his heart suddenly stopped. As the procedure permits, I went to get equipment for the code blue. The next thing I knew, I heard Dr. Malik screaming, and so I came rushing in to see him excessively shaking with a bite mark on his arm, next to an empty bed.
Could you tell us more about this virus?
This is a brain-eating virus. It takes around 3 to 5 hours for the virus to reach the brain and completely destroy it. The heart rate becomes so slow that the monitor is unable to detect it. After a person is infected, we can do nothing more but to remove him or her. We do not have the ability to completely cure this virus. It is beyond our reach.
Ms. Chang, what do you believe we should do?
Please, I inform our citizens to stay in your homes. We will be supplying food and water through drones. Please stay calm and alert, for this is an extremely dangerous situation, and this is the only thing we can do to protect ourselves and our families. Thank you.
As you